Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into asynchronous actions with Redux Toolkit, specifically focusing on how to fetch data and manage loading states effectively. This tutorial will cover a common use case, fetching data from an API and updating your Redux store accordingly. Redux Toolkit Tutorial 15, Async Actions, Fetching Data. Overview. Asynchronous actions in Redux are crucial for dealing with side effects like API calls, timeouts, or other operations that don't happen immediately. Redux itself is designed for synchronous updates to the store. To handle asynchronous operations, you need middleware like redux-thunk, which is conveniently included in Redux Toolkit. Redux Toolkit provides createasyncthunk, which helps simplify and standardize the handling of async actions. Why use createasyncthunk? Simplified async logic. Createasyncthunk abstracts away much of the boilerplate code involved in managing loading states, success states, and error states when dealing with asynchronous operations. Standardized actions. It generates standardized action types for you: pending, fulfilled, rejected, making your code more predictable and easier to reason about. Integration with reducers. Createasyncthunk integrates seamlessly with create-slice using the extra reducers option, which provides a clean way to handle the different states of your async operation within your slice reducers. Prerequisites. Node.js and npm/yarn. Ensure you have node.js installed. Basic Redux Toolkit knowledge. Familiarity with create slice, configure store, and provider. Steps. 1. Set up your project, if you don't have one already. 2. Create a Redux slice, example user slice.js. This is where you'll define the state, reducers, and the asynchronous thunk. Explanation. Createasyncthunk, action type prefix, payload creator, action type prefix, a string used as the base for the generated action types, example users/fetch users. It's good practice to follow the format slice name/thunk name. Payload creator, an asynchronous function that performs the asynchronous operation, example fetching data. Returns a value that will become the payload of the fulfilled action. If you reject, the error will become the rejected action. Receives a thunk copy object that contains dispatch, to dispatch actions, if needed, though usually you update state in the reducers. Get state, to access the current state. Extra, if you configured extra argument when creating the store. Signal, abort signal that allows you to cancel the request if the thunk is aborted. Reject with value, a function to return a custom error value to the rejected action, useful for handling specific API errors. Initial state. Defines the initial values of your state, users array, loading status, error. Extra reducers. A place to handle actions that were created outside of the slice, specifically, the actions generated by createasyncthunk. We use the builder syntax. Builder.addCase, action creator.pending, reducer, handles the action dispatched when the async operation starts. Usually sets loading to pending. Builder.addCase, action creator.fulfilled, reducer, handles the action dispatched when the async operation succeeds. Updates the state with the received data, and usually sets loading to succeeded. The action.payload contains the data returned by the payload creator. Builder.addCase, action creator.rejected, reducer, handles the action dispatched when the async operation fails. Updates the state with the error information, and usually sets loading to failed. The action.error.message contains the error message, or action.payload if you used reject with value. Asterisk selectors asterisk these help you extract data from the Redux store for use in your components. 3. Configure the store, example store.js. 4. Connect your component to the store, example userslist.js. This is where you'll dispatch the async-thunk and display the data and loading state. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk use dispatch, used to get the dispatch function from the Redux store. Asterisk uses elector, used to select specific parts of the Redux store state, using the selectors we defined in the slice. Asterisk use effect, used to dispatch the fetch user's thunk when the component mounts. The empty dependency array ensures it only runs once on mount. Important asterisk include dispatch in the dependency array to avoid ESLint warnings. If dispatch changes, which is very rare, the effect will rerun. Asterisk conditional rendering, based on the loading and error states, we render different content, loading message, user list, or error message. 5. Wrap your app with the provider, example app.js. Complete example, with error handling. Here's a complete, runnable example that incorporates error handling with reject with value. Key improvements in this example asterisk. Asterisk reject with value asterisk the reject with value method is used in the payload creator to return a custom error value. This value becomes the action.payload in the rejected case reducer. This gives you more control over what error information is stored in the Redux store. Asterisk error clearing asterisk the .add case, fetch users .pending, case reducer now clears the error field to null. This is a good practice to avoid displaying an old error message while a new request is in progress. Asterisk error handling asterisk the example demonstrates how to handle both HTTP errors, non-200 status codes, and other network errors, using a try, catch block. Important considerations asterisk. Asterisk error handling asterisk implement robust error handling in your payload creator functions. Use try, catch blocks, check for HTTP status codes, and consider using reject with value to provide informative error messages. Asterisk loading states asterisk use meaningful loading states, example idle, pending, succeeded, failed, to provide feedback to the user. Asterisk data transformation asterisk if the data returned by your API needs to be transformed, example renaming fields, formatting dates, do it within the payload creator before returning the data. Asterisk aborting requests asterisk the thunk copy also provides a signal property from the abort controller API. You can pass the signal to your Axios call, or fetch, to allow canceling the request if the thunk is aborted, example the component unmounts. Summary asterisk. Createasyncthunk is a powerful tool in Redux Toolkit for handling asynchronous actions. By using it in conjunction with create_slice, you can create well-structured, predictable, and maintainable Redux code for fetching data from APIs and managing loading states. The example provides a solid foundation for building more complex asynchronous operations in your Redux applications.